to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for caramel candies. These are really delicious, soft caramels, and they're actually much simpler to make than you think, so let's get started.
Only a few simple ingredients. We need half a cup or 125 grams of butter, half a cup or 110 milliliters of cream, 3 tablespoons water, a quarter cup or 60 milliliters of corn syrup or rice syrup or glucose, 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar, 2 teaspoons coarse sea salt. Start out by buttering your small baking form generously with butter. Then cut your butter into small pieces and add it to the cream. Heat in the microwave or over a double boiler until butter completely melts. Stir to combine. Then, in a small saucepan, add sugar, water, and syrup. Heat over high heat. When the mixture comes to a boil, cover with the lid for about a minute. This will help the water to drip back down and keep the sugar from sticking to the sides of the pan. After this, you will need a candy thermometer and you should no longer be stirring it. The reason is that if you stir sugar syrup at this stage, it will form sugar crystals, which we don't want. Heat the sugar syrup to 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius. This will take some time and the syrup should begin to change color and look a bit on the yellow side. Then add the cream and butter to the sugar syrup very carefully, a little bit at a time. Now it's important to stir it. Feel free to use the thermometer to stir it. Stir often to keep the cream from burning. Now, still stirring often, continue to boil until the mixture comes back up to 240 degrees Fahrenheit or 115 degrees Celsius. The mixture will brown quite a bit, but you should not see black bits. Remove from the heat and pour into a prepared baking form. Sprinkle with sea salt. Allow to cool. This will take at least 4 hours. I let it set overnight. Once the caramel is set, you can cut it with a knife. These caramels are really chewy. Look at that stretch. I love these. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.